I'm Joe Dosemagen, District 10, Lodge 66 out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Today at the Grand Lodge Convention, we covered a tribute to the fallen 9/11 Union members. We started in on the second essential human freedom, the freedom of religion, the First Amendment. Union members spoke of the importance of the First Amendment and of being able to believe in the religious faith of our choice and the importance of God in all our lives and how we can't take the First Amendment for granted. The panel discussion, they clarified some very good points. That the twisted way that violent Muslims present the Muslim religion is embarrassing and shameful to true Muslims. They brought up the philosophy of how important it is to find inspiration in finding examples of ourselves in religious texts. They brought up about the conservative agenda, abortion, gay rights, and stem cell research, and that's pretty much all Republicans can concentrate on. Then we had George Corpius came out and spoke on the importance of retirees in political action and legislature, and he talked about McCain's view on Social Security being a disgrace. We had a speaker there for the 2710 Liberty ships that pretty much won World War II, the shipbuilders, John W. Brown Labor Organization of the Shipbuilders, and the ship named after him. We had some speakers on the Spanish Leadership Program, and we had a speaker on the criticism, he was an autopsy of an empire, the criticism of our current administrative policies, and that's about all I got for today.